And they're up. Kim Possible draws for your lead, moving a party outside joint account. Shut up, running by the rail Evita, then followed now by Materoponur in between runners and by the rail Subterranean Star of Manel, followed by High Octane, then comes Pound for Pound, followed by Go Marines, and trailing the group is Western Jump. Heading towards the last 600, Materoponur in command by I Long Neck, running in second by the rail Kim Possible, down in third Subterranean is Star of Manel is racing in for us. They turn towards the last 450. Materoponur still leading the field this time by about a length and a half. Running in second still is Kim Possible, and on the outside is Star of Manel. Subterranean joint account with the last 100 meters more to run. Materoponur this time by about 6 lengths, and leading the finish line Miles Bakal Pilapil on Materoponur. Second, Kim Possible. Then comes 9A, joint account, Star of Manel, Pound for Pound, Subterranean, Evita, Shut Up, High Octane, Western Champ, and Gomarin.